Securing your watercraft is an important step in water safety. However, securing your watercraft can be frustrating and time-consuming. Tying knots that don't hold, retying them over and over, and you're still not able to safely secure your watercraft. Introducing Danik Hook, a simple, easy, and fast way to secure any watercraft. Simply snap the Danik Hook onto an anchor point, adjust the rope, snug the line, and walk away. It's that easy. No knots to tie or come loose. Using a Danik Hook to secure your watercraft is easy and simple to use. Anyone can use it, even children. There are two types of Danik hooks. A high-grade stainless steel Danik hook with an 8,000-pound capacity, and a space-age non-corrosive material Danik hook with a 500-pound capacity. Both Danik hooks have hundreds of other uses on and around your watercraft. The Danik hook can easily and securely hold down just about anything. With the Danik Hook, you'll never have to tie a knot to anchor your boat again.